My name is Brent Tufte. I'm a sales associate here in Spokane. I'm here to participate in the Food Services America Spokane Cookbook Club, and today we're going to make Kalbi Ribs. So these are cross-cut short ribs. They come from the chuck end on the ribs, and unlike your normal ribs, they're cut against the bone so that you have 3 little bones here and then a lot of meat. You're going to take 1 cup of brown sugar, and we're going to just pour that in, and then we're going to mix them all up and in there. After we get these evenly coated, we're going to kind of set them off to the side at room temperature and just let that sugar penetrate into the meat. Then we're going to make the rest of our marinade. Marinade consists of Asian pear, which is kind of more like an apple. You're not actually going to eat this. This is just a flavor component. And then I'm going to grate this. All right, so this dish is a Korean-inspired short rib. I was at an Asian restaurant in Seattle, and I ordered ribs. This was not what I expected, but once I tasted it, I knew I had to figure out how to make it. And tried to get the restaurant to tell me how to make it, which they would not. I'm crying right now. That was a strong onion. We're just going to add all of this, the wet ingredients, tamari soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, sesame oil, some red chili flakes. Add as much as you like because they pack a punch. Yeah, I started cooking when I was 16 in high school, and just kind of didn't really like to do anything else. It's kind of funny, when I was growing up, my brother wanted to be a chef, and I wanted to be a cop, and he's a Grant County sheriff, and I ended up being a chef. So it's funny how those kind of things work out. So we're going to take these and we're going to bag them, and you just need to let them sit for 4 to 8 hours in your fridge. The longer the better, the more flavor you'll get. And then they're just a quick 2 minutes each side on the grill, and they're done, ready to eat. Highly marbled, quick to cook, quick to take on a marinade. A great thing for barbecues. It's pretty much a staple barbecue thing in the summer for me. Just because it's a simple marinade, it tastes delicious, and they don't take any time to cook on the grill. Love it.